Drawing 2 million people, the Salvador Carnival is the world's largest street party. Revelers are fondly described as Pipoca, or popcorn, to describe how the jumping crowd looks from a distance. Chill a highball glass and put to one side. Add 2 bar spoons of agave nectar. Next up is cloudy apple and fresh lime juice. The Bitter Truth Apricot brandy has distinctive ripe fruity flavors. Anise and vanilla are the hallmarks of Galliano. These are the perfect accompaniments to Maker's Mark 46, a bold and spicy bourbon that is utterly delicious. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain excess water from the highball glass. Fine strain. Affix the popcorn-filled banana leaf cone. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.